Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with a fire recipe. We will be making enchiladas de uno de los estilos michoacanos. If you would like to learn, please keep on watching. First, we're going to go ahead and work on removing the seeds from our chiles. We are using chile guajillo and chile pasilla. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and boil the chiles. What you want to do is wait for them to get nicely cooked, and then we will go ahead and transfer it to a blender. Once they are nicely transferred over, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic cloves. I added 3, but you can add more or less. In the molcajete, we're going to go ahead and grind up oregano, clavos, pimienta, and comino. You want to make sure that you grind this up nicely. I like to do this before tossing it to the blender, just because I feel like you can really get a good grind and really break down the condiments. You will go ahead and add it to the blender. We will add some salt. Again, this will be to your taste. And then we will add the same caldo from which we boiled the chiles. We will go ahead and blend. Once that is ready, we will set to the side. Vamos a colar la salsa, and this is just so that we do not get any big pieces of the chiles or the condiments. This will go ahead and help the salsa be a lot more better. Now we're going to be making the salsa verde. This one is super easy to make. Basically, it's just tomatillos, some chile serrano, but we are going to add a little twist to it. Like I said, this is a little bit different from the usual recipe. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is add some garlic cloves. And yes, we will add some chiles jalapenos. This will give it a good flavor. Once that is ready, you will add a little bit of salt and cilantro. And the same thing, we're going to blend and blend. Once it's ready, we're going to go ahead and set it to the side, pour it in our bowl. And in the meantime, you want to cook up some potatoes. This is going to be one of the last things we do on the enchiladas. Next, you'll want to go ahead and shred your queso cotija. I did not have any of the one that's already shredded. I know that they sell some that's already shredded up, but your girl was struggling. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and cut up our onion. And what you want to do is set it in a bowl. Next, we will go ahead and add some sugar. You guys are going to hate me, but I try to remember to add measurements, but I really do not measure. Todo al ojo, en otras palabras. We will want to add some sugar, a little bit of vinagre. If you don't have vegetable vinegar, you can always use apple vinegar. We will add some oregano. It doesn't have to be fresh. Add some water, and then we will go ahead and give it a good stir. Make sure that everything is nicely mixed up in the bowl. Next, you're going to go ahead and warm up your tortillas on the comal. This is super important. You want to do this to avoid the tortilla from cracking. We will go ahead and grill our chicken. For this dish, you can use either chicken or bistec, whatever you want to add to your enchilada. This will be set to the side. Once that is ready, we're going to grab our tortillas that are warmed up already, dip it in the salsa, and go ahead and toss it on the aceite. Look how beautiful that looks. It smelled super delicious. Probably one of the biggest mistakes that I did when I was learning how to cook, and especially for this dish, was tossing in the tortilla when the aceite was not ready. You want to make sure that your oil is super hot, and then you will cook from the front and the back. Once that is ready, you will go ahead and add your onion. Like I said, this is the stuffing for this type of enchilada. You will add some crema and top it off with some col, aka cabbage, and then add some papa. This is why we needed the papa for. Add some papa, add some tomato, and then we will add our salsa verde. Super fire. This is the final look, and that is how you make enchiladas estilo Michoacán. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. I will see you on my next recipe. Bye, fam.